How to change Discord notification sound on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's video I will guide you how you can change the Discord notification sound on your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Since Discord application does not allow you to change the notification sound directly inside the application, you have to customize it to your Android settings. So for that, you have to open up settings in your device, tap on apps, and here tap on see all apps. Tap on the search icon at the top right. Now search for Discord and open it up. Tap on notifications. Make sure the notification is turned on. Scroll down a bit and here you have various categories such as incoming call, voice connected, direct message, friend request, poll, and many other. So from here you have to select the one from the category. For example, if you want to change notifications for the incoming call, tap on it. Scroll down a bit and here tap on sound. So from this available option, you could choose one from here. So select a different tone. So once you have selected one of this from here, now your notifications is changed. That's it. That's how you can change Discord notification sound on Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.